Oh.
Yeah, we went. I wasn't in Wisconsin, Minnesota.
Yeah.
Just we went to visit some relatives, and I went to sleep in the basement with one of the cousins. And I swear we just went to sleep. And like my spirit just rose up from my body, and then like I was like floating and looked at myself like, the hell? I was thinking like, the hell? Why am I floating? And then like I started flying around the whole town, Minnesota. I was like flying. That was just kind of weird, and like I couldn't remember everything, but I remember like I came back, and I flew back into my body, and I woke up. I woke up later, and I told my cousin, yeah, let me go ask my mom. She was shocked. I was like, okay. Yeah, I guess they're not used to you. You're new and they're not used to you, so probably you got scared or something. One of your spirits left, and then it came back. What the fuck?